Hey guys, how's it going? How to trade between cryptocurrencies on Kraken. So basically, if you are using the Kraken app, you will only can it's like an wallet. It's like a wallet, right? You buy it and then you keep it for as long as you can. And if you don't like the market and you want to just get out and just bail out, you could just go ahead and sell the Bitcoin, or sorry, the crypto, right? But in order to access the trading in the charts and everything, like the Bybit of the world, or Binance, go back to your screen, then go ahead to Kraken Pro, and then go ahead to the official website of Kraken Pro. And this step requires for you to go to your browser, of course, and then basically log in with your account and everything, and confirm via facial recognition or authenticator app. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead right here, and as you can see, this is the chart for Bitcoin, and I can just go ahead and change the crypto to any crypto that I want. Let's say, for example, Solana, right? And if I want to buy the Solana, I could just go ahead and do it from here. You're gonna see the open orders, right? And you can see order from, and I can just go ahead in the order from right here, and I can buy spot or with margin using leverage, and then basically the quantity, and basically move along to the the next the settings from here into buying this this crypto, sorry. So basically you can see right here open orders, positions, performance, and balance, and all that. So just like the trading website, Kraken Pro actually allows you to see the chart, make your analysis on where to buy this crypto and when. So that's when at the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.